Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a fire truck. Now, I'm going to start off with the wheels, and I'm going to use this button to help me draw my two wheels. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a circle for the first wheel. So I'm just going to trace right around here. Then I'm going to move this over, try to line it up best I can, and I'm going to draw my next wheel right around here. So I'm just going to make a nice circle right around here for my wheels. Now, inside of here, I want to make a smaller circle. So I'm just going to draw a smaller circle inside each one of these for the hubcap. Now, let's start up front here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to draw a line that's just going to come out. It's going to go up, and then it's going to come back here. Then starting over here, I'm going to draw a line across and another one across. And I'm going to make a little line that goes out, up, and then over right here. Now, starting here, I want to draw a line that's just going to go up for the front of the fire truck. Then I want to come up here at an angle. Then I'm going to go straight back. And we'll go a little bit farther, and then I'm going to come down here right past this first wheel. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and it's going to come straight down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to go straight across here. And then I'm going to come straight down. Now, starting up front, we want to add a few of the details. So the first thing I want to do is I want to draw a line that goes over, and then it's going to come up at an angle and then curve around. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to go over, up, and straight across for the window. And right here, I'm just going to make a nice big square shape for the other window. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come around. It's just going to go right above here and then down. And then I'm going to do the same thing, draw this line around, and then I'm just going to go down here for another door. Then right here, you want to make a little line that goes over and down for the headlight. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down like a big sad face, and then just draw a little line down for the siren. Right here, I'm going to make a little rectangle that goes right to the tire. And right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and come back up. Another one that goes down and then curves around back up. And we'll curve it at the top a little bit. Then I'm going to draw some straight lines across for the ladder. Now, right here at the top, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go a little bit farther than the truck. It's going to go up, come back, and down. Then I'm just going to make some little lines going down for another really tall ladder. So we're just going to go and put these little lines all the way across. Try to leave them about the same distance apart as you go down. Now, right back here, I want to put a big hose. So I'm going to start by making a little diagonal rectangle here and a little diagonal rectangle here. And right here, I'm going to add a bigger rectangle. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves to here. This one's going to curve to here, and then one that's going to curve around to here. Then I'm going to curve this up and curve this one up. Then right behind here, I'm going to add another one that curves around. And right inside of here, I'm going to add one that curves around. Then here, we're going to make a little line that curves around. And I'm going to put a little circle around it so it shows where it's hooked into the truck. Right back here, I'm going to add a little line that goes over and down and put a little line across for the taillights. Then we want to add some little skinny rectangles here for the door handles. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fire truck. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.